...2019 is not even over yet, and I've surpassed 56 deals in the last 12 months.
I'm working with about 5 different clients right now. 3 of them are under contract.
Tomorrow I will have my 4th closing. I'm dealing with about 10 clients.
So now that I'm working with Crown, the difference in my career now is that I have a team. I have a sales support team. My broker and his wife are absolutely awesome.
There's a lot of people that will tell you what they can do for you, but as for me, I've seen it demonstrated personally.
Now working with Crown Realty Group, I have more opportunities. They really help me finding leads. It's not all on me to get it done. We work as a team.
I've been able to close more deals now than before, and I'm really glad I made the move.
I like that I'm trusted, and whenever I need help, I can call. There's somebody always available to give me advice.
People that we've got on our team, we all work together. It's consistent and it provides a good income. I've not looked back, and I'm looking forward to the future.
If you are a go-getter, and you're not afraid to get in front of people, this is the place for you. You'll be very successful, and you have a great team and support over here at this company. Don't be afraid, you can do it.